to Unforgotten Tech. This week we're going to be talking about cabin air filters. We're going to be answering key questions such as what is a cabin air filter, what do they do, what are the maintenance recommendations on a cabin air filter, and what happens if you miss one, and lastly we're going to be going over a procedure on how to replace a cabin air filter. Now before we get started, I want you to take a second to please like and subscribe to this video, and if you have any comments on future content, please leave the comment below. A cabin air filter is what you call a HEPA filter. This filters out all the incoming air into the vehicle's cabin. In other words, it's going to filter out all the air that you're breathing inside the vehicle. Now, a HEPA filter filters out particles as small as 0.3 microns. This would be the equivalent of a cotton ball getting caught in a screen door. The cabin air filter generally should be changed every 12 to 15,000 miles or once a year. However, this can vary from manufacturer to manufacturer. Always refer to your vehicle's manufacturer recommendations for specific maintenance intervals. Lack of maintenance can lead to health concerns, decreased performance in heating and air conditioning systems, and foul odors in the vehicle's cabin. To access the cabin air filter, generally you'll find them behind the glove box. First step in the process is going to be to lower the glove box. Go ahead and remove any of the customer's content out and place in a safe area so nothing gets damaged or lost. With the customer's content in a safe place, you will now press the two tabs on the side of the back of the glove box and lower the glove box even further down. With the glove box lowered, we can now see the access door. Remove the access door and it will reveal the cabin air filter. Now, before removing the cabin air filter, do a visual inspection around it to make sure no debris will fall into the blower motor. Now we're ready to remove the old cabin air filter and install a brand new cabin air filter. With the new cabin air filter in place, you can now reverse the process and reinstall the access door, the glove box, and make sure to return all of the customer's belongings to where they were. Alright, now that we've replaced our old cabin air filter with a brand new one, we are good to go. Well, thank you so much for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you next time.